Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Blender rendering on Mac versus Windows. We'll dive into the core differences that impact your workflow, from raw processing power to software integration. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed decision about your next workstation. We'll explore how each operating system leverages hardware and optimizes Blender's demanding rendering tasks, helping you achieve faster results and a smoother creative process. When it comes to raw power, Windows machines often boast a broader selection of powerful dedicated graphics cards from NVIDIA and AMD, which are frequently favored for cycles rendering. However, modern Mac systems, particularly those with Apple Silicon, offer highly optimized integrated GPUs and unified memory. This can lead to remarkable performance, especially when handling massive scenes or complex simulations, where memory bandwidth becomes a critical factor. It's a trade-off between sheer brute force and highly efficient integration. Blender itself runs excellently on both platforms, but the surrounding ecosystem can differ significantly. Windows often has a slight edge in terms of broader driver support for a wider array of hardware, and many third-party rendering engines and plugins are developed with Windows as a primary target. Conversely, Mac OS provides a highly refined user experience and seamless integration with other Apple creative applications, which can be a huge plus for some artists. Your existing software suite might influence your decision. Ultimately, the better platform for Blender rendering depends on your specific priorities. If raw rendering speed, a vast selection of powerful GPUs, and budget flexibility are paramount, Windows systems often provide the most bang for your buck. However, if you value a highly integrated, power-efficient system with a premium user experience and strong performance across many creative tasks, modern Apple Silicon Macs are incredibly compelling. Both platforms are powerful, and your ideal choice will align with your unique workflow and budget considerations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.